those matters.
That's okay. That's okay. We understand that you do not know why you're here. Madam, those have been my very brief questions on behalf of the board. I beg to.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
My Lord, we had Dr. Kamoto. Well, just two questions and the witness can be re-examined. If you're permitted, please.
My Lord, there was no affidavit filed by Dr. Kamoto, and you have given directions before the commencement of this proceeding.
Let Dr. Kamoto speak for himself. Dr. Kamoto, did you file any affidavit?
Yes, my Lord, I did.
Did you file any affidavit?
We have put our